Hello all, hope everyone's okay and looking after themselves. I hope your families are alright and everybody's safe and sound as can be. And it's just a small little video of a Manchester Model Railway exhibition that I went to over the weekend, which is the 14th of December, a Sunday. I went there and it's a 100th anniversary of the show, so I thought it's a bit of a special show, got to make the effort to try and get there. So I had a good old wander around there, had a look at quite a few nice layouts. I picked out a couple that caught my eye on the video footage, which is going to follow up after this bit of footage that I'm talking about now. So didn't go there to buy anything, but I ended up walking away with this Trix baby torpedo wagon, Trix Marklin, made for the American market, RP25 wheel sets, which are really fine scale wheel flanges, and the Caddy couplers built in. This particular model is so hard to get hold of, and got it as new condition. Just seen a UK trader who was selling all the mainly you know, 00 scale. In fact, most of the traders there is all 00 scale, no HO scale stuff. But this was sat on the shelf. I thought, how much do you want for that? And he just went, oh, we're doing 50% off these particular items. And I thought, well, I'll have it, take my money. And ended up paying £50 for this, which is an absolute bargain. So yeah, and this is what the wagon looks like, baby torpedo. Just to give it a bit of size, that's a fireless tank logo there from Trix Marklin. Just zoom into that. It's a beautiful wagon which has got highly detailed parts on it, and you can manipulate that into different unloading positions if you want to. Turns completely around. Quite amazing little thing, a lot of detail on there. So yeah, that was a bargain. I think that's got to be one of the bargains of the year, to tell you the truth, because like I say, it is a very rare wagon, and it's all metal construction. It's really nice and smooth, beautiful it is. So yeah, really happy I got that. And yeah, so I'll just show a bit of footage of the show and some pictures, etc., and that'll be it. Many thanks for watching. you don't tend to move it within 7 seconds.
They'd have to do a lot of
I hope you're all enjoying yourselves. Children, I hope you found some of the clues to the answers to quiz questions. Next up, ask a friendly steward.
that's back in the other hall.
He cuts the band from the back of the tray.
This is the marklin lamp.
Once uncoupled from the milk pan, he buffers gently up to his coaches, pushing them back to the station throat, where he waits for permission to go along the quarry line.